this is a small bush and how to do bushes. A lot of times we don't want wire running from one to the other. We'll talk a whole nother one how to power these bushes. But the best way to do is take the female in. Female's always on top, and you're just going to shove it in the bush so that it's sitting down. This way, if snow gets on it, we're in Georgia, there's no snow, but anywhere else you will get snow. So we're just going to take this and shove it down in there. And basically, what we're going to do is just start working our way around the outside of it here. And we're going to work our way around this bush, and we're going to keep them about 6 inches apart, or is a good rule of thumb. Now this bush isn't the easiest bush to do, but we're going to get it nice and going around here. Again, we're going to just work this all the way around the whole bush here, so that way we can make this bush look awesome and amazing. And so this is what a one-strand bush would look like. We would charge anywhere from a boatload of money. I know you don't care about this, but for my video I do. You can cut it out. You're going to charge one strand, so you're going to charge anywhere from $30 to $50 per strand. We do know that haulbacks come from these bushes, so you can see how this was a one strand bush. Now I don't like letting this go on the ground, so I'm actually going to pull this up into this bush a little bit, so then when I go to get my extension cord, it'll keep it up off the ground. But tomorrow we'll be lighting this bush up. I'll be able to show you what this bush looks like. Again, you can see 6 inch spacing, and anywhere you're going to see a light within 6 inch spacing, and so it's going to make it look nice and full all the way around this whole bush. If we try to do it less, it's going to look worse. So on a scraggly bush like that, obviously we're going to have to make it look good for where it's at, but it's going to have a whole strand too. We'll do this other bush over here, and we'll show you the difference between a one strand bush, and I'm going to go with a 3-strand bush. We'll see who's right.